Want to master Jasper reports from beginner to advanced and create real professional reports in Java? You're in the right place. Hello everyone. Welcome to this complete Jasper reports tutorial series. In this series, we will start from the very basics and step by step we will move to advanced level where you will be able to build real-world reports like PDF, Excel reports, invoices, and dashboards. Now, in this first video, we will understand the foundation. First, let's talk about a simple question. What is a report? A report is a way to show data in a clear and simple format, like tables or charts. So, people can understand it easily and make decisions. Now, let's come to the main topic. So, we understood a report. Now, we will talk about Jasper Reports. Jasper Reports is a powerful open source Java reporting tool that helps us to convert data into professional reports. So, using Jasper reports, you can generate reports in different formats like PDF, Excel, HTML, JSON, and more. Okay, instead of showing raw data, we present it in a clean, structured, and professional way. Now, you may ask, where do you use Jasper reports? In real-world applications, reporting is everywhere. Like banking systems use it to generate account statements, business applications use it for sales and analytics reports, and government systems use it for official document and records. So that is why learning Jasper reports is very important, especially if you are working with Java. Now, let's see what types of reports we can create. We can create simple table reports, charts and graphs, invoices, and even complex summary reports with filters and dynamic data. So, whenever you want to learn Jasper report, you should have basic knowledge of Java and a little understanding of databases like MySQL, because to generate reports, we want to use select query. We want to use simple select queries. Also, we want to use complex select query because we want to select data from multiple tables using join. We will also use an IDE like NetBeans or IntelliJ and a tool called Jasper Soft Studio, which help us design report easily. Don't worry if you are a beginner. In this series, I will guide you step by step with practical examples and real projects. So, by the end of this series, you will be able to create your own professional reports with confidence. So, if you are serious about learning Jasper reports, make sure to subscribe and share my videos with friends. That is enough for today. Have a good day. See you in the next one.